Turning our attention to first alert weather now. We've been talking about, it's warm, it's humid. It's that time of year when we might see storms popping up from time to time. Maybe not a lot today, but this weekend, things are, a lot more people might see it, right?
Exactly. It will start to ramp up. And unfortunately, Saturday looks to be the wettest, and that's the day where people have weddings and birthday parties and festivals.
Yes.
So we just need you to make a secondary plan indoors. But we're not expecting severe weather like tornadoes or large hail, just on and off showers and storms throughout the day. But let's go ahead and take a look at what we are expecting for today. Now, something important is that we have the first alert weather day for Saturday, but today we will only see a few scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. You can see here how the clouds have been moving in from the south towards the north in the last couple of hours. And those little green dots that you see, those are a couple of showers. They're already creeping in to Ellis County, now moving into southern areas of Dallas County. So that will be the trend. Not expecting severe weather, but I just don't want you to be caught off guard if you're driving along and you get one of these downpours. We have about a 20% chance in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but as we look over towards the west, it goes up to 30%. So if you live in Canton and Terrell, over into Sulphur Springs, you have a better chance of seeing some activity. And today is not the only day. As we mentioned, we have a 30% chance for today, 30% chance for Friday. It goes up to 70% on Saturday, and then on Sunday, 50%. The good news about Sunday is that 50% is mostly during the morning and first part of the afternoon. The evening does look a little bit drier. So let's go ahead and take a look at what else we can expect in the next couple of days. First of all, we have that first alert weather day for Saturday. Sunday, we don't have a first alert weather day, but it doesn't mean that we're not going to see quite a bit of precipitation during the first part of the day. Current temperatures are at 80 degrees. We're going to be in the 80s today. We're not getting out of the 80s, so it won't be too hot. And here you can see the showers and storms that I just mentioned. They are just north of Hillsborough. They are streaming towards the north. So if you are in Dallas County in the next hour or so, by noon, 1 o'clock, you will have that scattered activity. As you see over to the east, we have wetter conditions, Houston over into parts of Arkansas and Louisiana. So the best chance of seeing activity will be towards the east. Terrell, Greenville, Sulphur Springs, we talked about that. This will go on until about 8 o'clock during the peak heating of the day. And then it comes down. Tomorrow, lots of clouds. Morning commute is just fine. But during the afternoon, we'll see a couple of showers, an isolated thunderstorm. Also 30% for Friday, so not too bad. And then really things start to ramp up Friday night into Saturday. So the high today, 87, the high tomorrow, 86, and then on Saturday, 85. Unfortunately, it's cooler, 85, because of the storms. Now, the reason we're going to have a wet weekend is in the upper levels of the atmosphere, we have that low pressure system coming in out of Mexico. It will pass west of us, but what it's doing, it's pulling all of that moisture. And you can see here, that's Saturday evening, not looking good. And it doesn't mean it will be raining all day long on Saturday. I think we'll get a brief break during the middle of the day, and then it will ramp up again. So we will have some dry periods, but we will also see quite a bit of rain. So finally, let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. I know you're waiting for that. We'll be mostly in the 80s all the way through Sunday, 89 degrees. Remember, we have that 50% showers and storms early on Sunday. And then on Monday, we heat up 93. One thing I can tell you, next week looks drier and hotter.